How to add signature in Outlook on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Outlook application on your phone. The Microsoft Outlook application is primarily used for managing emails, calendars, contacts, and tasks all in one place. It allows users to send, receive, and organize emails, schedule meetings, store contact information, and track tasks. You are now in the Outlook inbox page where you can view all your emails. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Here, go to the Quick Settings section and tap on Signature. Tap on the text over here. You can now add in your signature here and then tap on the tick button above. You have successfully added your signature here. Following these steps, you can easily add signature in Outlook on iPhone.